Today I'm making a delicious batch of hamburger barley soup. We start by prepping our vegetables. First, some celery, and then some carrots and onion. Once these are ready, I like to brown the hamburger. Do this right in the soup pot and stir it and break it up while it's cooking until it's completely browned. Then add in those chopped vegetables, onion, celery, carrots, and we're also going to add the dried barley here. I like to give this a little stir before I add the liquids. That would include a large can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of V8 vegetable juice, and 1 carton of beef broth, 2 cups of water, and then the spices, some parsley, garlic powder, thyme, and bay leaves, and then plus a little black pepper to taste. Give this a stir, and we're going to heat this until it comes to a boil. Once you're there, lower the heat, cover the pot, and let this simmer for 2 hours to really develop the flavors and to cook that barley. Every once in a while you'll want to go over and check on the soup and give it a stir just to make sure things are cooking along the way it should. And then at the end of the 2 hours, you can get this all set to go. All you have to do is remove those 2 bay leaves. And don't forget, yep, there's another one, so you usually have to stir to find them both. Once the bay leaves are out of here, this is ready to serve. Simply turn off the heat and spoon it into your bowls, and it's ready to go. This soup is delicious with just a few oyster crackers, sometimes with some cornbread. We've served it many different ways. Even with a grilled cheese sandwich, it's absolutely delicious. It's the perfect way to warm up on a cold or chilly day. I hope you give this a try, because if you do, I know you'll love it.